How to reverse in Capcut. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can reverse the video in Capcut. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, open the Capcut app and import the video that you want to reverse. So let me open this project. After that, guys, locate the video to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now tap and hold the video clip in the timeline until it be selected. So you can see now this clip is selected. And after that, you will have to search for the reverse option. And here you can see the reverse option. So tap the reverse button located in the toolbar above the video clip. And after that, you can see that after completing these steps the video will be reversed, and you can preview the video. You can preview the result by tapping the play button, and you can see that the video is now reversed. So this is how you can easily reverse the video on your CapCut. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.